Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to download all Google Photos to hard drive. Friends, if your storage on Google account is full and you want to download all photos and videos stored on your Google Photos, then you simply need to open web browser. Now in your web browser, you need to open takeout.google.com. Open the first link. Now takeout.google.com is opened. Here you need to press on deselect all. Now scroll it little down to find Google Photos. Here you need to select Google Photos. Now scroll it little down. Now in bottom you need to press on next step. Here to download all the data, I will request for a download link via email. Here select export once and press on create export. Now our request for data export is submitted and it will take some time to send us the download link via email. I will check my email address whether I have received the download link. Now friends, as you can see, I have received the email from Google Takeout, and in this email we need to press on download your files to download all the photos and videos saved in Google Photos. So friends, like this you can very easily download all Google Photos to hard drive. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.